Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a product review. Wow, that's rare. Poppy had money and bought something. They can actually show it to you. Well, you can read. When I did a search, that's the one that popped up with the features I wanted at a price I liked. Delivered to next door at the neighbor's house. That's a whole entire other story. For $43 and change. Yeah, I've been running this computer that you're looking at me through on it since 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and about midnight 30 I was fried, burnt out, worn out, just plain exhausted. Computer going, tons of voltage in the battery. So I just shut down it, then me. Then I got up 9 o'clock. It's 20 to 1. Running on the battery. Pictures attached after this, showing you the battery, the inverter, the path of electricity from battery to computer, and the computer. Where I've got it here in the corner, that's the permanent setup. You know, so I've got battery charger right there waiting for charging it. On this side, this side over here, I've got the failure, AmericanPowerConversions.com battery backup, power scrubber. Well, they call it surge protector. Well, it's a power scrubber protecting phone line, coax cable line, and of course that all important AC power. Look at Project Backup Jack. I'll show you that entire fiasco. Apparently there's a little itty-bitty chip inside the unit that won't let it recognize more than the amperage in one of them little itty-bitty Yasuo 12-volt motorcycle batteries. Because I know a 40-amp scooter battery have more amperage than a little itty-bitty motorcycle battery. But I went from 12 minutes life on the battery that APC sold me to 1 minute on a much bigger, more amperage containing battery. It's not even, they can't even recognize it, going out of the way to say So obviously you want more life with an APC battery backup unit, you got to buy the big one. What it takes, submarine batteries. Talk about profit enhancement. Anyway, I'm running this computer until the inverter says there's not enough voltage to, till something ain't gonna work. So I'm online, watching all kinds of videos. I'm not running the modem with this, of course. I was talking with Nana, and she's thinking that, hey, yeah, another inverter, power the modem. Great. What if cable's down? That happens a lot. My modem be up. You know, a satellite gets blown out of space, and some nut with a chainsaw decides that that pole right alongside the road with those nice iron handles sticking out would be perfect for his wood stove. And there goes the coax and the phone line. And the high tension distributor for your street. Well, in that case, you know, powering your modem with a battery backup and an inverter, it'll tell you that there's no signal. Hey man, I got power. When are you going to give me signal? Anyway, product review. Pass. Does what I want it to do. I like the price. I had the other hardware on hand, which always helps if you just have to buy one little extra piece. Boom! Now, there's a little display on the top of the unit. Got this pretty little speedometer dial telling you how many percentage of output power, and little numbers, you know, telling you how many volts are in the battery. And of course there's, you know, 4 little idiot lights, you know, overload, overheat, low battery, wrong battery. I imagine wrong battery can happen. I was in the, here it is. I was hearing the instructions for it, and it says something here, you can power a blender. Yeah, here, 8-cup coffee maker, reciprocating saw, portable vacuum, laser printer, 3/8 drill, computer, stereo, laptop, tablet, game console. In descending order of how much electricity they suck up. So, you know, your little game console, you know, you get a long life off the battery. But you start using things with heating coils and electric motors, you know, no. You see, those heating coils and those electric motors, they are energy suckers. So, you're not going to be running your refrigerator off this. Not unless you got a very, very big backup battery bank and the fridge is the only thing on it. Then maybe one of the higher rated, you know, like a 2500 watt, maybe. But you ain't going to have much battery life, and it's going to be the only thing you can plug into it. Other than that, hey, in the power outage, Poppy got video. Poppy can record his rants against PG&E. You know, of course, if cable's down or modem got no power, can't post them, but oh, when the electricity comes back, Poppy screams. Anyway, everstart plus 750 watt power inverter. Hook it up to a 55 amp hour deep cycle battery. It'll run your laptop for quite a while, so you can watch movies and scream about the dark.